Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change or transfer the owner of a Slack channel. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your desktop or head to the Slack website through your browser. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace where you'll see your channels and messages. To change the owner of a Slack channel, you need to be the current owner or an admin. If you are good on that front, let's move to the next step. On the bottom left, you will find your profile icon. Click on it and select Profile. A new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Next, click the three-dot menu. In the menu, you will see the options for account settings. Click on it and you will be redirected to a new page in your browser. Once there, scroll down to the Deactivate Account section and look for the Transfer Ownership option. In the new Primary Workspace Owner field, search for the member you want to assign as the new owner. Once you have selected them, enter your Slack password to confirm the action. After that, simply click Transfer Ownership and your ownership will be successfully transferred. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.